Question number 1. A man swims downstream 72 km and upstream 45 km taking 9 hours each time. What is the speed of the current? So downstream speed equal to 72 divided by time is 9 hours. And upstream speed equal to 45 km divided by time is 9 hours. So downstream speed equal to 8 km per hour and upstream speed equal to 5 km per hour. Speed of the current equal to downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. Speed of the stream equal to 1.5 km per hour. Option C. Question number 2. A boatman can row 3 km against the stream in 20 minutes and return in 18 minutes. Find the rate of current. 3 kilometers against the stream, that is upstream. Upstream speed equal to upstream distance 3 km divided by time is 20 minutes. 20 minutes in hours, 20 divided by 60. 21 time, 23 times. 3 into 3, 9 km per hour. Upstream speed equal to 9 km per hour. And downstream speed equal to distance is same, 3 km divided by time is 18 minutes. 18 minutes in hours, 18 by 60. 3 one time, 3 6 times. 6 one time, 6 10 times. Downstream speed equal to 10 km per hour. Find the rate of current, that is speed of the stream. Speed of the stream equal to downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2 equal to 1 by 2 km per hour. Option D. Question number 3. A man can row 6 km per hour in still water. It takes him twice as long row up as to row down the river. Find the rate of stream. So man still in water or speed of boat in still water equal to 6 km per hour. He takes 2 times upstream then downstream. So 2 into upstream speed equal to man still water minus speed of the stream equal to downstream speed equal to man still water plus speed of the stream. So 12 minus 2 into s equal to 6 plus s. 3s equal to 6, s is equal to 2. Speed of the stream equal to 2 km per hour. Option A. Question number 4. The current of a stream at 1 km per hour. A motorboat goes 35 km upstream and back to the starting point in 12 hours. The speed of the motorboat in still water is downstream distance by downstream speed plus upstream distance by upstream speed equal to time is 12 hours. By options verification, motorboat speed equal to 6 km per hour. So B value substitute above equation. 35 divided by 6 plus 1 plus 35 divided by 6 minus 1 equal to 12. 7 5 times plus 5 7 times equal to 12. 12 equal to 12. So motorboat speed equal to 6 km per hour is correct. Option B. Question number 5. A man can row 6 km per hour in still water. When the river is running at 4 km per hour, it takes him 3 hours row to a place and back. What is the total distance traveled by the man? Downstream distance by downstream speed is 6 plus 4 and upstream distance by upstream speed is 6 minus 4 equal to time is 3 hours. 3 hours to row a place and back. Now D is common. 6 minus 4 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 6 square minus 4 square equal to 3. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel. 12D divided by 36 minus 16, 20. equal to 3. 12D equal to 60. Distance equal to 5 kilometers. Option C. Question number 6. A motorboat takes 12 hours to go downstream and takes 24 hours to return the same distance. What is the time taken by the boat in still water? Time 1 equal to 12 hours and time 2 equal to 24 hours. Therefore, required time equal to 2 into T1 into T2 divided by T1 plus T2 equal to 2 into 12 into 24 divided by 12 plus 24, 36. 12 one time, 12 3 times, 3 one time, 3 8 times. 8 into 2, 16. 16 hours. Required time equal to 16 hours. Option B. Question number 7. A boy can swim in still water at 4.5 km per hour but takes twice as long to swim upstream than downstream. The speed of the stream is. Boy can swim in still water equal to 4.5 km per hour. Let speed of the stream equal to x km per hour. Speed in upstream equal to 4.5 minus x. Speed in downstream equal to 4.5 plus x. He takes twice as upstream than downstream. So 2 times of 4.5 minus x equal to 4.5 plus x. 9 minus 2x equal to 4.5 plus x. 3x equal to 4.5. Therefore, x is equal to 1.5. Speed of the stream equal to 1.5 km per hour. Option D. Question number 8. A man can row upstream at 16 km per hour and downstream at 24 km per hour. Find the speed of the current. Upstream speed equal to 16 km per hour. Downstream speed equal to 24 km per hour. The speed of the current equal to 24 minus 16 by 2 equal to 8 by 2. Speed of the current equal to 4 km per hour. Option A. Question number 9. A boatman can row 96 km downstream in 8 hours. If the speed of the current is 4 km per hour, then find in what time he will be able to cover 8 km upstream. Downstream speed equal to downstream distance by time is 8 hours equal to 12 km per hour. Speed of the current equal to 4 km per hour. Downstream speed equal to also write speed of boat still in water plus speed of the current equal to 12. B plus S value substitute here. So B plus 4 equal to 12. B equal to 8. Upstream speed equal to speed of boat still in a water minus speed of the current equal to 8 minus 4 equal to 4 km per hour. So required time equal to upstream distance 8 kilometers divided by upstream speed is 4 km per hour equal to required time equal to 2 hours. Option D. Question number 10. A man rows his boat 60 kilometers downstream and 30 km upstream taking 3 hours each time. Find the speed of the stream. Downstream speed equal to downstream distance by time is 3 hours. Upstream speed equal to upstream distance is 30 kilometers divided by time is 3 hours. Downstream speed equal to 20 km per hour. Upstream speed equal to 10 km per hour. Speed of the stream equal to downstream minus upstream by 2 equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5 km per hour. Speed of the stream equal to 5 km per hour. Option A.